Okay, this is Largo de Pagode da Barra. So the square with Amma Temple. So there's Amma Temple right there. Probably gonna explore some of that too, and we're definitely gonna walk around and explore this whole little neighborhood. So stay tuned. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Pagode da Barra, Amma Temple. A little bit of history of Amma Temple so you can see exactly. You're gonna stop and read it if you want. And I'm gonna keep on going. There's Amma Temple right there. I don't think I'm gonna go in. I have gone in there before. You can walk all the way up to the top. It's kind of cool. I don't know if people watch the temple one so much. Whenever I do a temple one, there seems to be kind of like not much interest compared to the other ones. There's a maritime museum over in this area. Over there is a navy yard, so you can walk. There's some pretty beautiful artwork right there. And this is kind of the square area. So I think what we're gonna do is just kind of, we'll just kind of explore a little bit. Let's just try to capture what this sign says here. Okay, Historical Center of Macau. So basically it just says that this is the 16th century. So I guess this was where it was kind of started. Well, this is Amma Temple, so the city was named after Amma Temple anyways. There's some kind of cool stuff there. Little kiosk here. Lots of people sitting in the park. Got lots of interesting stuff everywhere. Yeah. Beautiful temples, trees, park benches like that. And this beautiful house right there. It's amazing, actually. Beautiful balconies. Paladares Portuguese. So, paladares, I wonder what paladares are. Because there's only one way to find out, and that's to get the camera over there and take a look. Just kind of curious about this little area too. Kind of cool. Let me see, I guess these are like cakes. Yeah. Cupcakes, cakes, tarts. It's kind of cool. Hello. This looks like it's condemned here. I'm not going to walk down this street, but this used to be, before COVID, this was a really busy, popular street. It goes right up to where the... Huh. That's too bad. I always like this building. It's so beautiful. Nice and beautiful green. Yeah, this whole street had a bunch of tourist stuff all the way up and down. And it was all centered around Amma Temple. So it looks like most of them, this is still here. These are for the temple anyways, these ones. All of these right here. And that looks like kind of a new one. So this is called Plazas da Barra. I have filmed before in here, but it's been a while. Yeah, this one is kind of new. Look at those balconies. Cool. Okay, let's kind of go in here a little bit. And we'll kind of follow through and see what's all around here. Way over there is kind of a harbor. You can see some ships that come in and out. Always interesting to see those. A lot of people can just kind of kick back and relax. Myself included. There we go. Largo de Pagode do Pagode da Barra. Pagoda. In English we'd say pagoda. I think in Portuguese they pronounce it something different. If it's like Brazil, it may be pagode. If it's Portuguese, maybe pagoda. Pagode. I don't know. Let me know. I'll look it up on my own otherwise. And I guess maybe we'll just end it with that small temple. So it's interesting, there's that big temple over there that we started with. Then over here, there's a small little temple. And we'll just capture that. And I guess we'll try to maybe end it around this spot. and the Maritime Museum, and now we'll overlook that, and then we'll end it. And maybe right about here. All right. Chiquinha, chiquinha.